Peeny Butter Fudge by Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison. Illustrated by Joe Sapita. Mom's instructions: 12 o'clock, lunch, peas, carrot sticks, fish fingers. 1:15, nap. 2:25, playground. 4 o'clock, television. 5 o'clock, dinner, hot dogs and macaroni and cheese. 6 o'clock, bath. 7:15, snack, granola bar. 7:30, bed. I will be back at bedtime. Mommy. Snuggle, snuggle, time to rest. Nana joins us in her nest. Nap time is not so long when Nana sings a sleepy song. Looky look, we get to get a storybook. Fairies, dragons everywhere, creepy things under the stairs. Pots of gold, a laughing mouse, a peppermint chimney on a house. Hurry, hurry, hop in the car. Let's go fast, let's go far. All around, up and down, Nana takes us through the town. Yummy, lummy, yummy, lummy. I'm so happy in the tummy. Look what our Nana made us. Biscuits, ham, and lemonade us. Oh my goodness, Nana's sick. Help, find the doctor kit. She's got a fever, her face is hot. Get some water, pour a lot. Band-aid for her toes, Band-aid for her nose. Doctor says you need rest. Quiet while we check your chest. Be good, Nana. Take a vitamin pill. We'll make you well. You bet we will. Hold my hand and swing around. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Lift your left foot, now your right. Shake your shoulders with all your might. Let's make the kitty cat. I've got one paw, I've got two. Here's his tail and whiskers too. Here's his play toy, but it doesn't belong. The shape is right, but the color is wrong. Patience, patience, no need for haste. Every piece has its place. Peeny butter fudge, peeny butter fudge. Mommy's coming any minute. Quick, quick, let's begin it. Shh, don't tell, but I can't help it. This recipe's a family secret. Mix it, cook it, cool it, eat it. My mother taught me, and I taught yours. Don't ever forget how it's done, for you will have to pass it on. Ticky-tock, ticky-tock. Can we beat that big old clock? Peeny butter, Nana is the best grandmother. Give me a kiss, give me a hug. Peeny butter, peeny butter fudge. Peeny butter fudge. The end.